Hi, welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. This is just a short tutorial just to show you how you can demonstrate dilation. Under the Transform menu, Control-Shift-M to bring that up, you can see move and scale and rotate, and they can be used to show transformations, but I didn't quite get the dilation working. I didn't realise that dilation, of course, would be under scale, but it didn't seem to dilate about my nominated centre, but doing it this way does. So what I'll do is I'll scroll over and show you how I set that up. First I'll draw a circle, Control Shift and drag. I'll give it a colour, shift click the cross there, and there's my point. Maybe I'll make that red like the other one. Now I'll draw a shape using the Bezier pen tool. It doesn't really matter. There we go, and give it a fill. Now that shape, if I click it a second time, its rotation centre is in the middle of the shape, and it's also the dilation centre. If I drag that to the centre of the red dot and make sure I've got that rotation centre snapping turned on, now if I click this and shift drag, shift scales at about the rotation centre. Actually, Control Shift drag, Control Z, Control Shift drag maintains the proportion, Control maintains the proportion, Shift is about the object centre. You can see that it dilates nicely about that centre. If you wish to check out the lines of dilation, Bezier pen tool, and let's click from there to each corner, click enter, and I'll just do a couple, but you get the idea. I'll do one more to that point, so, and I might make those lines if I shift click on them all and make them a little bit thinner, fill and stroke style. No, it's only done that one. Click on that one, down, okay, and change the style to perhaps dashed. Oops, and for that one I should have grouped those properly before. Okay, now if I select all of these things, actually I don't want the circle, so I'll select everything but the circle. Just check that's selected. Yep, now it is. Control G to group, and now if I select the corner and Control Shift drag, it's dragging it's a different rotation centre, that's why. So if I click a second time, the rotation centre there, I've got to drag back to the centre of the circle, and oh gee whiz, I've got to move that to the centre of the circle. Click a second time, now the rotation centre's moved again. Eventually we'll get there. Okay, now the rotation centre of the dashed lines in the blue shape is at the centre of the red circle. Now if I dilate, Control Shift, there's a bit of a lag there, and you can see there's a bit of a demonstration of dilation. I'm struggling a bit because recording a video uses the computer resources. But anyway, there's one way to dilate a shape.